Welcome back to the channel everyone. Volvo 480 work yet again, trying to make a little bit more progress, this time hopefully with angle grinding and welding. So we're back onto the Volvo 480 and it's quite a nice day today, so I think it's time to try and do a bit more welding. Remember, we've got the side to do, so might try and tackle that, but I thought what we could try is to patch up this section here. So the idea is to cut the holes out so we get back to decent metal. We'll have to take the coating off as well. So we're going to use the angle grinder, cut it down a bit, and then weld a couple of rectangular-ish shaped pieces in. Hopefully that'll do it. So you can see I've been busy. So I've cut out a rectangular piece here. Let's just take the welding clamp off and I'll show you the piece that I've cut out. It's actually quite a useful little double skin there onto a piece underneath that's useful. You can see I've cut this piece out, and just with a little bit of careful shaping and positioning, you can see it lines up quite nicely around all the edges. Now I'm going to clamp that nice and solid, so it's going to be as tight as I can, and then we can try just tacking a couple of bits first to get the weld holding, and then we can work along it. Not going too fast and doing too much in one go because it's quite thin metal and I don't want to blast holes through it. Well, that's a bit of a mixed bag. There's a couple of bits that have started to come along nicely. This far edge isn't working well. There's actually too much of a gap between it. So I think I'm going to have to try and panel beat that so that it's a bit of a better fit, because it's just blasting holes in at the minute and not actually doing anything. Well, it's a long slog with welding, and my first attempt at this piece, you can see I've ground it down a little bit. It's starting to look better along this side. It's not too bad. It's for a lap weld anyway. This side hasn't taken very well, so I'm going to have to solve that, work that one out. Just finished doing this one here, and I'm a lot happier with this one. It's not perfect by any means, but you can see I've started to get the flow right. Quite a lot of gas I've found. I need to use a lot of gas for welding, so I'm going to grind that one down, take a lot of the blobs off, because that's still not great, but it's certainly heading in the right direction, I think. And I think that's probably about where I'm going to take it to today. You can see I've made quite a bit of progress on the two pieces, slowly getting better each time. This edge here still has quite a bit of work to do. This one here improving, and this one here, so far I've only just tacked it to start to build it up, and I'll start to join the seams together next time. I also need to solve, there's a bit of a blowhole there, but I'm going to use copper pipe to join that together. But so far that's not too bad. That's one of the other bits, and then it's just really the wing that I need to get welded up, and that's the majority of the welding work. So getting there slowly with it all. And oh, I spent a bit of time underneath as well, trying to get some of the surface rust off so that I can coat it after we've done all of this, and put under seal on and get it all protected. So there we go. Thank you once again for watching on my Volvo 480 project. Hopefully more progress again very soon, and thank you for watching.